Yep, we're buying a car.
So if we buy it now, it's ours?
Mm-hmm.
There's no game? Mm-mm. Then what's it take to go get it?
Then we gotta set up a shipper to
out of Cali.
bring it home.
So let's do it. Hit the button. Buy that son of a... Don't do it. Hit cancel. I can't.
Oop, wrong button. Right there.
Get a picture of that. Somebody stole the f***ing car.
So now what?
I gotta find it. Find out who stole it and threaten to put him in jail.
Have you spoke with Sean?
About?
Our car?
No, why?
It was just stolen.
Wait, what?
It was just stolen.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
The current situation is that you have stolen the vehicle because we canceled this order. You have no...
Stop using those words or you're gonna get in trouble, okay?
I have no trouble. So at this point, my plan is to call the police and let them know that this car has been removed without my permission.
Tell them to call me, okay?
It's here! Car. It's here!
Because you're going to push the rear end off.
You'll be alright.
No, it's not going to work right. Yeah, but I can't see the rear. Turn the driving brake on.
We have everything via email for you that says we canceled this vehicle, that you stole the vehicle, whatever. Art is well aware of this situation. He knows exactly what's going on. We have the entire thing recorded and we have records of everything that's going on. And like I said, it's nothing to do with you. It's nothing to do with him. This guy is a scam artist.
Well guys, there she is. We got our first car.
That lower control arm is real messed up.
Ha ha.
Dude, we bought wheels.
Oh, there it is! Let's go!
Yo!
What up?
Oh, what's going on, dude?
Hell yeah, get in there!
Dude, those are hot.
Perfect. Thanks, my dude.
You bet.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Wheels, tires, suspension, fitmentindustries.com. Check it out.
That is nuts.
It's so
Absolutely nuts.
rowdy, dude.
I never thought we'd get this far, to be honest with you.
Holy sh! Oh sh! That looks so good.
Bro, it's got paint on it. And the bumper's on. And the back bumper's on. And the grill's in. What do we do with it now? What are we supposed, seriously though, what are we supposed to do now? Like, get rid of it? Dude, I'm literally speechless. Like, to see what this looks like now compared to what it looked like when we first got it in here, like, I didn't think it'd get even close to like, that. I literally don't have words for how everything kind of came together. I never would have expected just an idea to end up looking so damn perfect.